Hi everyone, welcome back to My Colourful Country Life. Today I want to show you a flip through of Hanna Karlzon's most recent book, which is called Tales from the Forest Kingdom. This is the second in Hanna's Tales from series. This is the Swedish edition I've got here. There is a third book in the series coming out later this year in September, and that one's going to be called Tales from the Witch's Cottage. That sounds really interesting, and I can't wait to see what kind of pictures will be in that book. I'm really looking forward to it. There also will be an English version of this book coming out. You can pre-order it now through Book Depository. It's not due to be released until the 10th of August. The Swedish edition here you can purchase now, also on Book Depository. I'll put both of the links down below for you to check out. Now, the size and format of the books in the Tales From series are all the same. I'll show you now Midnight Masquerade. And you can see here, got the same width, height and length. And it is just under 19 centimetres by 25 centimetres in size, which is a bit smaller, or significantly smaller than her older books. And I'll show you the difference in size as well with Magical Dawn here. Now you can see the thickness is smaller in the new series as well. It's a little bit shorter in length and smaller in width as well, you can see there. All of Hanna's books are hardcover. The new covers though have this sort of fabricy feel to it. I'm not actually quite sure what this material is. But it feels really good quality. It is a little bit similar to the spine, the material in the spines, but it feels a lot more sturdy, a lot more hardier in the newer versions of her book. I do love the format of Hanna's books. I wish all colouring books were hardcover actually, because they just look so pleasing to the eye sitting on the bookshelf. I was really disappointed when the Tales From series was first released to see that they didn't look the same as her older books, and it's just my OCD playing up because I like the way the other ones look on the bookshelf, and I actually keep the Tales From series in a separate part to my other Hanna's books because they just don't match. But I've learnt to love the Tales From series. I actually quite like the smaller size because it takes me forever to colour a page. It can take me weeks. I'm a really slow colourer, or colourist, colourer. So the smaller pages are much more manageable, and I am quite liking the smaller size pages, despite the fact that it doesn't look as great on my bookshelf next to my other Hanna Karlzon books, but I can deal with that. We can live with that, right? Now, this is the first page I've coloured myself in this book. This was coloured with polychroma pencils, and the sort of marble effect in the background was Neo coloured twos. And I have done a colour along for this page, which will be up shortly if you'd like to see that. And the paper has warped a little bit, but I did use a lot of water on this page, so it has taken quite well and nothing has bled through or seeped through to the other side. So the water, it does take water medium really well. Alright guys, that is the Tales from the Forest Kingdom book by Hanna Karlzon. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you again very soon. Thank you so much for watching and bye for now.